back to hashtag 21 days to good skin with me. I just came back after a workout, and before I take a bath, I decided to film today's episode 5. And today we will ask oh so rigid blackheads to get off our skin forever, which is actually tough because blackheads can sit for your skin for years. But if we do this DIY once a week, we can get a step closer. So today we will use baking soda, and let's begin. So blackheads are basically found in the T-zone, which is your nose and your forehead. But I also have some of them here, most of it at my nose. But I applied it everywhere because you may not know where your blackheads are. Maybe they're over here because that's where the dirt and everything gets accumulated. Also, I did not have baking soda at my house. I had baking powder. So if that is the case with you as well, you can use 3 times of baking powder. So it'll be equivalent to using 1 spoon of baking soda. So if you have baking soda, use 1 spoon of baking soda. If you have baking powder, use 3 spoons of baking powder, just like I did. And I've added lemon and rose water, and that's it. Also do a patch test before. I tried it over here before applying it so that I know that it won't irritate my skin. Also, do not rub it, just gently massage it if you want to, or keep it just like that. And after 15 to 20 minutes, you can rinse it off. So I just took the face pack off my skin. I kept it for good 20 to 25 minutes and I am really impressed with the results. What do you guys think? My skin feels so smooth. But just a few things that it's on the harsh side. So just use it only once in a week and not more than that. That's enough. So yeah, this was the face pack you can use for removing your blackheads. We can also do a separate video for whiteheads because that's another thing altogether. So stay tuned for that and I will see you tomorrow. Bye guys.